What's up, guys? I'm randomfrankp, and today, as most of you have seen on Twitter, recently just bought a new house, and going to be showing you guys a little tour of it today, as well as showing you the whole new studio space, because it is going to be much different than the space that I have now. And we got the little pup peeking through. Hello. All right, so I'll just bring you guys through. We'll do the tour. We'll go through it all. I've never really done a house tour like this, obviously, because it's, never owned a house before. But when you come in, nice stairwell, Puff's still saying what's up. We have the like a dining room space. Just gonna lead into the kitchen over here. And I know I posted a little bit about it on Twitter, but like we've been looking for a house for maybe like 6 months now. And we found this one, fell in love with it, put an offer in like the next day. Hey, Beth. She's sick. So this is our kitchen space, and we absolutely love it. It's great. Puff's going on. Only thing we really want to change in here is like the backsplash and get new light fixtures. But other than that, like this house is just so move-in ready. We got nice hand-scraped cherry hardwood floors. Come over here, and this is the nice living room. Again, very wide, lots of natural light. There's like a little studio kind of space over here, but no, it's not gonna be the studio. Bathroom, and then before, when you walk in, I showed you before the dining room. Over here is like another little sitting room kind of space. We'll save the studio, let's just go upstairs real quick. I'm also doing this so like for reference later on, like while we're moving in, I could see, some things we can recall. Her collar is super loud, so sorry if that's like messing up the audio. But you come up here, we have one little bedroom over here, probably like a guest bedroom. Little spoiler, this is gonna be like a secondary filming room, so I'm gonna use this room just for like making different setups and setups for different prices. So I can have this room just dedicated to certain setups for the channel. Well, that'd be a cool idea, so I can get like different themes and stuff going on. I'll take you guys outside in a minute. Got a nice huge yard. Coming over here. Overlooks the living room and stuff, or the family room. That's a different meaning, I guess. Got a guest bathroom up here. This is like a little nursery room, or I would assume was a nursery room at one time. So when we have kids, be a little room for that. Of course, she thinks she's the kid. She's loving it. She's been walking around all day. Then up here is the master bedroom. Got the natural space where the bed goes, and like a little sitting room over here. I don't understand sitting rooms, but maybe we can convert it into something. I don't know, big walk-in closet or a makeup room for my wife. But we also have a pretty nice walk-in closet over here. Little space back there, it goes over here. So there's that. And there's also the little closet over there, which I'll just probably use for my stuff. The bathroom is nice. Nice big tub. Really cool kind of shower area. Still trying to figure out like where the lights are and stuff. All right, nice little shower. It's got like 5 heads all around here, so that's gonna be a little bizarre. But we'll just probably use that one. And then the toilet. I was hoping she wasn't in there. I don't know where she went. So yeah, that's a little tour of the upstairs. Got a nice master bedroom. What are you growling at? She's loving it, but it's so new to her, and it's all just room. Oh, you're growling at mommy laying down there? Yeah, come on, go cuddle. Wanna go cuddle? So I'll bring you guys downstairs now, show you the studio space. All right. I just love all the natural lighting this house has. Like, hey, we also have a deck. Bring you out there for a minute. Show you guys the deck. Then when you come out here, you got a nice little deck. Got a grill and everything going. And then that'll lead to all the property. You can go check that out. See, it leads down here. Got a little shed, little outdoor area, a little fire pit. And what's really nice is this leads up to a natural like wildlife preserve. And there's like a little creek running back there. So that's really great. We have our own little area over here too for like a volleyball area. We don't play volleyball, but at least it looks nice. So nice, lots of land. One of the things, that was like one of our requirements when we were looking was we wanted like at least an acre. but it's gonna be a pain in the ass when it comes to actually mowing it myself. So they have somebody who does. As you can see, it's like already nicely cut. So we're probably gonna keep whoever does this. I think they said it was somebody like local who comes and does it every few weeks. So we'll probably do that until maybe spring or summer next year, and I'll pick up a lawnmower and start. But very happy with the yard. And oh, they're already down here on the trail. Let's check it out. Check it out. Little loaf. Oh man. Oh, this is real nice. It's a nice little creek running through. Ah man.
You can't go down there.
You curious? You go for a swim? Alright, so now we'll do the studio tour, which I know 99% of you care about. This is what you're here for. You don't care about the other side of the house. Alright, so there's like 7 different light switches for this. So there's one there, don't know what they even do yet. Another one here. Another one here. Alright, so this is gonna be the studio space. It is a converted like finished basement. Well, it's half finished. The other side of the house over in here is like a little, it's all unfinished and it's all storage and stuff. But yeah, hey, come on. So this is gonna be the brand new studio. And I was always kind of against like basement kind of studios, like when I was thinking about getting either like renting a dedicated space. And like when we were looking for houses, like our nice basement wasn't really like a big thing for me, because I just know like, you know, basements don't usually have a lot of natural light. But when we saw this one, it's like we have window over there, the sliding doors here, massive window there. So there's just so much natural light right now. Like I don't even have those lights on. These are all in like a dim setting. And of course there's a little track lighting over there, but this is like just great. I can't stress enough how important natural lighting is for a studio space, especially when you're filming and stuff. So when I saw this, I was like, all right, this is a huge factor if we're gonna buy this house. Just had somebody come out recently, like 10 minutes ago, to get an estimate of repainting all this. It's like a yellowish, it's like a light yellow color, you can probably tell that, but I want this to be all just bright white, because obviously when you're filming and stuff for YouTube, it's gonna look better. And then from there, I could, you know, set up different spots for different shots. And so that's the one thing I'm concerned about now, is how I'm gonna set this up and what sort of areas I'm gonna use for what, you know? So what I'm gonna do is down below put like a straw pool kind of thing so you guys can vote. And what I mean by this whole thing is like, so in my room now I have my desk setup, which I was thinking would go along here, okay? But the one thing is, when I'm filming in my room now, it's always like, you see me and the background is my setup. And I like that, but I kind of want to be filming over here because, like I said before, there's just so much more natural lighting. So if I have the camera over towards that wall and all this behind me, do I put this setup there? I also want the space for, like I have now, where my filming desk is, with the wooden, you know, the wooden desk that I have like my overhead shots and stuff. So I want to find out where I should put that, and then also like a entertainment setup kind of thing, where like the TV's gonna go, I have a couch. So I want to break this space up into like kind of 3 separate parts while keeping it open. So I got to just figure out how I want to do that, what the best way is going to be. I really think this is going to be like the main area for filming. So I'll have the camera against this wall here, have like maybe like my desk and stuff, and then do something with the set behind me. Don't know if I should put my setup on that wall, or I'm just so conflicted about it, because you guys know there's so many different ways I could set this up, and I don't know if I want, like it is now, my setup back here, or if I want to do something neutral, like Lou from Unbox Therapy does, where it's just, you know, a neutral space behind them, or maybe like MKBHD's new setup, where it's just like a nice little set there, pretty minimal, he's just sitting down talking. So I gotta figure all that out, but I'll put a straw poll down below for you guys. You can let me know what you think, and then we can go from there. But one more thing. There's still some stuff over here. Shuts that off. Okay, so there's a little bathroom down here. Cool. This is like an old laundry room, but we have a laundry room upstairs. So we're probably not even gonna use this at all. And then this was a converted converted like bedroom as well. So I'm probably just gonna use this as like my storage closet. Right now I have a little closet where I have all my storage stuff in. So I think it's gonna be just a dedicated storage room. The Verizon stuff goes in there. This is like where all the circuits and stuff are. But yeah, this will probably be an entire storage room plus the closet for all the crap that I have in my closet now. So really psyched about that. I'm loving the studio space. Again, natural lighting is key. Let me flip all the lights on just so I could see how bright it really does get down here. Probably switch all these bulbs out, get different track lighting. Just make it more white, more light. So we got this. Oh, that turns it off. Okay, and get this on. So let's see. Yeah. So honestly, the lighting doesn't even really do that much just because there is so much natural light as it is. All right. So I'm gonna find out how much it's gonna be to repaint everything white instead of yellow. We were tossing around the idea of just painting like a lot of the interior a different color. It's kind of like, what color would you say this is?
Like an egg.
Eggshell?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't look too bad. I don't know, we just wanted a more neutral color, but it's not the worst. And it would be probably thousands and thousands of dollars to get it all repainted because it goes up on the high ceilings and it runs all along like the hallways upstairs, all through here. We're probably gonna repaint like that part of the kitchen where it is gray, like I said, different backsplash, different fixtures, and yeah. So one of the kitchen part was definitely a big thing that we love because we love cooking, we love food. There's this is a griddle right here, okay? This is a griddle. All the knobs and stuff are like embedded into the cabinets. We got the burners, 2 more burners. We got this thing over here, which we literally have no idea what it is. Maybe anybody who is watching this has an idea. It's not a toaster, which is what we thought it was. Remember?
Like a steamer.
Yeah, it's like a steamer. They mentioned fondue.
Yeah.
But I don't know who would have just like a fondue thing next to their fridge. And this is a legit thing, so.
Wait, what is this?
This is what?
I did the math. We can't afford the toys.
Well, that's a keeper. They left it. That's a keeper.
What else?
But a little stove down there, so.
Jesus is the passcode? What?
A little pantry. This is the actual laundry room over here. A little porch outside. And then we have a nice 2-car garage. So this is just an absolute massive upgrade from our current apartment that we've been renting for the past 2 years now. And it's just so surreal that like this just happened. It was our first house that we actually went and visited, fell in love with it, put it in an offer the next day, right? Was it like 2-3 days later maybe? But it all happened really quickly. Probably too quickly at first. We were getting nervous because everything was just going so fast. And before we knew it, we were like, all right, like let's commit. And then here we are. We closed yesterday. Now this house is officially ours. And it's just mind blowing. And I have to thank all of you because this literally,
Yes, thank you.
this literally would not be possible without all your support. We just hit 900,000 like a few days ago. So we're only 100,000 away from 1 million, which is just unbelievable on its own. My goal is to hit that by December? No, end of December.
By January.
By 2019. So 2018 is shaping up to be a hell of a year. Eagles won the Super Bowl. We got married. Now we're buying a house. Well, we bought a house. And it's hopefully gonna be 1 million by the end of the year. So let me guys know what you think about the studio space down below.
Let me guys know what you think.
Is that what I said? Let me know what you guys think about the studio space down below. Drop some comments, suggestions. I'll probably put a straw poll like I was saying before down there just so you guys could like vote on what kind of way I should utilize the space. Maybe I'll throw up like a little mock blueprint of the area and kind of mock it out for you guys in like Photoshop so you can see what I'm talking about. But I want to get your general opinions, and that's going to wrap it up for this little studio and house tour of our brand new house. And I'll leave you guys with this. I want to say thank you. This pant's been running around. All right. Thank you guys again. Love you all. See you guys in the next video, whatever that is.